YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is McPato. This is McPato PC, and today I bring you my favorite 5 ways to save money when buying computer parts. Alright, my number 1 tip is, and this isn't in order of savings, but my first tip is Amazon warehouse deals. These are good deals. You could save anywhere from $5, $10 all the way up to $150, which is what I saved on my monitor when I purchased it recently. So these items are typically damaged, unopened products. They will open it to make sure the product works, but what I mean is it arrives at their factory damaged, or it's a customer returned item that appears to be in the original packaging and does not appear defective. So this is a great way to save money. Amazon provides you with the same guarantee, same satisfaction. You know, if you're not happy, you can return it. So if it doesn't meet your standards, you can always send it back. So that's great. I'm going to show you guys just quickly that page, and then we're going to move on to number 2. It's also worth mentioning that Amazon is one example. Sites like Newegg, if you're in Canada, Canada Computers, or Memory Express. If you're in the US, probably Micro Center. I don't know for sure, but they'll have often a clearance section or an outlet section as well. And I'll show you guys Newegg, just how it looks on their site. But most of these online retailers will have some sort of an option for buying open box or refurbished, or floor model item, stuff like that. And this is a great way to save money on quality computer components. So let's go to the demonstration here. We're going to go to Amazon. I'm in Canada, so it's amazon.ca. We go there. In the search bar, you can just type warehouse deals, and it'll take you to this page here. And this just tells you sort of the guarantee. Every item is hand-checked and graded, available for prime and free shipping, backed by Amazon customer service, and a 30-day return policy. So really very low risk of buying these items. We want computer parts, but there is other categories as well. Clicking on the computer parts, you can further narrow down what you're looking for. So let's say computer components. I would like a computer processor, and there you go. Somehow a video card slipped in, but you just kind of scroll through, see what kind of deals you can get, and if there's something you like, you pick it up. Sometimes the deals aren't outrageous, it might be $20, $30, but that all adds up when you're building a computer, so definitely keep this in mind. Moving along to Newegg, we're going to check out what they have to offer as well. And you just go to deals and services, down to outlet, which it says here open box, clearance, refurbished, and recertified PCs, electronics, and more. Click on that. And we would like an open box item. And then again, you can narrow it down based on what you're looking for. So we're going to click on components. And let's say we were looking for a motherboard, and then there you go. So you can kind of scroll through, have a look, and see what catches your eye. I have on occasion found that you need to actually click on the item to see what the discount is. It doesn't look to be the case right now, but if you click on it, you can see that they have 9 new for $329 and 1 used $308.99. This used one would be an open box. And as far as warranty, they say return for refund within 30 days, return for replacement within 30 days, and the item is covered by Newegg.ca's standard return policy. So my second tip is B-stock items. I'm going to use EVGA as the example here, but other companies do it as well. And these are products that are sold by the producers or the manufacturers themselves. And here's a brief description of what that is. So to summarize, it'll probably have some kind of a physical defect, but that won't affect the performance. and you do get usually about a 1-year warranty on these items as well. Another sort of good to know is with B-Stock, you can sometimes go back several generations. So if you're looking for a 700 series or a 600 series NVIDIA card, you can probably find one, or at times anyway, you can find them as B-Stock items with warranty. So that's sort of a good to know. Maybe you're looking to do an SLI on an older gen product. You want to buy it new. You don't trust the miners and stuff on eBay and other sites. This is a place you can come and get a good deal. All right, so that's the first 2 tips out of the way. Moving on to number 3. This is going to be sort of just a quick one. Sites like eBay. So you can normally go on eBay, you can bid on auctions, and you can get a good deal that way. But there's often eBay stores. So sites like Newegg will have an eBay store, and then you can get promos from either Newegg or from eBay. Recently, all of March, you could save 10% off any purchase, and that was on any item eBay wide. So 10% up to $50 off. So for example, you're buying a $500 video card, you get $50 off right off the top. Often on eBay, I find, at least in Canada, was maybe less of a deal in the US because shipping rates are higher up here. But you can get free shipping on most items, or at least a reduced shipping, buying on eBay compared to buying from the actual Newegg website. So that's sort of an added bonus or an added tip. But that's my third tip. Check out eBay, use those discount coupon codes, and save some money. My fourth tip is to basically wait for product launches. And this is a great time to bring this up because we have Ryzen or Zen 2 coming out with the 3000 series of Ryzen processors. We've got new Threadrippers coming. We've got Navi from AMD for the GPU market. So there's going to be a lot of price cuts. And right now, honestly, the RX 570, 580, 590, some Vega models, unbelievable deals. And in fact, you get 2 to 3 free games depending on the product, which can, I mean, if you get 3 free games in Canada, that's $199 or $179 value. You buy an RX 590 for $350, you're saving almost $200. It's a great deal. And, you know, I'll make another video on should I buy now or should I wait. That's a whole other issue. But if you need something now, these cards are a great deal, and probably we're going to get more price cuts, or at least these will be extended until the Navi launch. And probably once Navi launches, this stuff's going to come down even more. You can just look at the first generation Ryzen 1700. You can get that for an unbelievable deal, and really it's not that much slower than a 2700. So there are deals constantly, and it's just a matter of knowing about the deals and keeping your eyes open. Be aware of product launches. You know, so right now on the AMD side, we got launches coming all summer, middle to third quarter. It's going to be discounts non-stop, and then if you can sort of stack that up with a Black Friday deal on a previous gen Ryzen or Radeon product, you're probably going to get unbelievable deals. So that's my fourth tip. For tip number 5, there are sites like PC Part Picker, Camel, and similar sites that will allow you to check price histories. So you can definitely get an idea of whether or not the price is a good deal. A lot of times they'll say, you know, $80 off Ryzen 2700, regular $500, now only $400, you know. In Canada, the 409 is sort of the normal price for Ryzen 2700. But they'll do that as a sort of a trick to make you feel like you're saving $90. That's not the case at all. And finally, just as a bonus tip or suggestion, and I've touched on it already, timing is important. So things like Black Friday, if you live in Canada, Boxing Day or Boxing Week, Cyber Monday, these sorts of events, always a good time to buy computer hardware. So if you're not in a rush, plan it out. Use tools like Camel or PC Part Picker, sort of get an idea of what is a good deal. And when those deals come up, pull the trigger, snatch them up, and really walk away feeling good about your purchases and having saved money. So that's going to end the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it, found some useful information, and hopefully you'll save some money on your next computer component purchase. My name is McPato. This is McPato PC, and I will see you guys very shortly with another video. Until then, bye-bye.